Nulaxy wireless in-car Bluetooth FM transmitter radio adapter car kit W1.44-inch display supports TF/SD card and USB car charger for all smartphones audio players, KM18. 1.44-inch LCD display. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth FM transmitter has a 1.44-inch screen for better displaying information like phone calls, FM channels, music, car battery voltage, etc. The ideal screen size to assist you in driving safe without disturbance. Flexible Gooseneck Bluetooth version 5.0. The rotatable gooseneck of the wireless radio adapter can provide you with an adjustable viewing angle and optimal viewing comfort of LCD display screen. With the Bluetooth version 5.0 technology, the car Bluetooth adapter can provide a more stable and faster connecting without intermittent disconnection. Noise Cancellation/Hi-Fi sound quality. Nulaxy noise cancellation technology dampens the road noise and gives you clear, crisp sound for hands-free calls. High-quality music streaming ensures crystal clear sound for listening music and hands-free calls. Hands-free calls. All-in-one button for hands-free calls, answer/reject/hand-up/recall, make you seamlessly switch between incoming calls and music. Enjoy complete voice control and safer driving with this Bluetooth transmitter. Wide compatibility. The FM transmitter Bluetooth for car is compatible with most devices on the market, such as iPad, iPhone, iPod, HTC, Galaxy, Sony, MP3 player, tablet and Android smartphones. You can play your favorite songs on your car stereo via Bluetooth, TF card and AUX cable. And it fits 12V, 24V cars and trucks.